phone, sad, I cry, and all of that. While you out there live your best life. Me don't give a fuck if you live your best life or not. Keona, you don't have nothing to do with me. Life goes on. So auntie, make life goes on now please. And call it a day. You can rest now. You can rest now, bro. Come here, tell you, bro. There is nothing one can say or do for me hate Shana, bro. I tell you that. Nothing one can do. You hear that? There is nothing one can do, bro. When I go talk to you no more, drop off. I'm still go see we outside clean. Is what I say? Outside, clean. I do it same way. You see me? You hear my fam, man. You hear my fam, man. I just write this, bro. You see me? So, bro, may I ask you, please, me say, if you go up on your life, one more blood clot there and call me name. Something wrong with you. Something definitely wrong with you, bro. Cause me nah see you, me nah trouble you, me nah call your name. Just go on, auntie. Go on, man. Them say you hurt, but me not say why you hurt. Me not say why you hurt. You know why? Cause you leave and you go do your thing and you move on. You move on, bro. I love and love alone in my heart, and I love you and make you go on. Me never yet company me that come talk up all kind of thing. I know me not say nothing, bro. More me just say, yo, leave me the fuck alone. Oh no, man. Bumbuckler. Phew. Damn. Church of God. Me don't want no gift, me not play no match, me just come for talk to you. Bro, you journeying. Bro, you journeying for hear somebody there on your name every fucking day and you don't see this person, bro. You don't see this person, bro. You do too much now, bro. You do too much now, bro. You can't easy now, fam. Every day. Every day. That's all me ask. I just leave me the fuck alone, bro. Me not go down in no history. Me not go. Cause first and foremost, you see all of them things the way you store up in your phone, you plan for this day now. Your mackerel come like the same thing. You can't be trusted. Cause me have my phone right now and me not have nothing at all to go back in. Me never save no voice note, me never save no video, me never save nothing at all. Me never save nothing at all for come play back on the media. Me a talk out of my heart. You know have the same mentality. You can't trust no one another. You know some pussy. So you sit down and you save up all of these things for come play back. One of them people kick off or one of them people no good again. Me not have them out there. So play anything where you want play, say. But play with bumbuckler players. Play with feelings when girl done move on with them life already, fam. Girl move on with them life already, fam. And say them happy. And them there with them there. When me do, not supposed to have nothing to do with you, bro. When me do, not supposed to have nothing to do with you. Cause you move on and you say you're happy and you're alright. You see what I say? The amount of people in your head, you see? Let me tell you something, man. A whole heap of things there is one you not go hear, because you know why? You not go hear it from me. And see she come on the live and call up all kind of people name. You never, ever go get that out of me. You'll never get that out of me. I will not call nobody name. I will not bring up no history. I will not go back in a no phone, go draft in no receipt. You can done now, bro. Done now, bro. Done now. Today is Sunday. Go go cook the man dinner. That the man the Caan that there was that area talk about your man where you left. Go go cook the man dinner, man. And make the man feel nice. You see what I say? Cause Caan dinner well prepared already. Red rice and blood clot peas. Curry fish and vegetable. Go and go cook the man blood clot dinner. Have a happy Sunday. Go buy some Devanos ice cream. Go Price Mark, go buy one muffin. And come on from a bumbo clot name now. Me no need for do you nothing. Cause me not pray you. You not do me nothing in a life for me come pray you violently. No time. So stop company me that come do that. Like say yo, no man in your inbox I tell us them I got this and no man not this and no man no want do you nothing. So stop paint that picture there. Stop do that, bro. You want to paint this picture like me are the wickedest man and me are the evilest man and do. Come on, bro. Stop do that, bro. You see the real people them know the truth, you know. The real people them know the truth. And my friend them, me not hide nothing from them neither. From the get-go them know every blood clot thing, you know. You see what I say, bro? Yeah, dog. Nobody not pray you violently if you do you nothing. You can walk up and down anywhere you feel a mind for walk. And nobody not do you nothing. Because it's not that serious. It's not that serious. It's not that serious, bro. All you need to do, I just go left. Because me go right already, you know. You see what I say? If me did take, alright, you know what I like, I don't know, you say if me did take up somebody when I have no name, or somebody when I really relevant, just a normal person, who wouldn't do all of this, you know? Who wouldn't do all of this. And honestly, me not say nothing wrong with Shana, bro. Now try use the girl, pass and tear her down. Gully back this and gully back that. Sleep in peace, father. 10 years later, 1 decade of the gorilla in our life now. Who begs about that? Yeah. There are a lot of things. You should open up my eyes to I'm not going to talk about it. Yeah. A good girl. So I say, yeah, bro. The bag of tear down and the bag of try to bring down, it not needed. All you need to do, I just focus on you. Focus on you for a bit. Focus on you for a bit. And just ease off a 10. Focus on you for a bit and just ease off a 10. Because we not see you, bro. Me not see you, dog. Everybody have a past, bro. You have a past too. You have a past too. I'm here you talk and now me not hear you talk the factual thing them all now. But me now go come talk it, auntie. Is it? Me now go come talk it. All me want you to do are just easy, bro. Just easy and come off our name, dog. Just easy. We over here try to do the right, bro. I love your music. I love your music differently. You see what I say? Because who know me, know how we go to work already. We are gaming, fam. You see me? I love your music, bro. So true, we not posty and talky and come on this, come tell you know whatever we are do for make a honest bread, bro. No stop it, dog. No stop be naive, dog. You see me? Cause uno know say me no over here. Uno know say me no over here I troll nobody, me no over here trouble nobody, bad dog. Uno know that, bro. Uno know that, fam. So uno over here lie to yourself. You see me I say? Uno over here lie to yourself. Music make you fly already. We not size up with no man, but we in our own a league. Music make we fly already. A whole heap of places music bring we. The fuck we not talk about. We have songs with 1.8 mil views. And on a buy, we buy that. 3.8 mil views. Me never do no collab with no big artist. Is an artist with me and him there on the same fucking level. And the song reach where it want reach. Me do the collab with Shana Wadia and it's a fucking good song. Uno can't, no matter what you say, uno can't say the song a fucker. Me just need enough to tell no friends that we just love me now, dog. It kind of draining, bro. Yo, it draining for no say you're not pay somebody in mind and they just get up on somebody name each and every day, dog. Come on, bro. And me no want hobby, man. Me no like science. So me not go work no hobby and no science. Me I go come talk. I'm go in my house and pray. So, as me say, there is nothing in this world where you can ever come on that screen here. Come talk for make me feel away, bro. You see me? Nothing at all. No go talk till the mouth drop off. No go talk till the mouth drop off. Cause what you going to know? Me ear still a grow. Watch this. Me ear still a grow. No ear not drop off. Me no grey yet. You see that art here? You see that art here? You don't understand, man. But you don't know me already. Me always a spread love, bro. I love alone me deal with, fam. You see me? Yeah, we no come on this for talk down nobody. And we no come on this for try make nobody look away, fam. I love alone we spread charging. And we are going to continue to spread the love, bad dog. So not care what you say. All me need you to do, I just come off of my bumbucklat name. People have them life to live, bro. Obviously, you're not happy. You're not comfortable. Because if you're comfortable with your people, them, you do depend somebody where you and them break up and left every bumbucklat there. No, dog. No, bro. Give it a break now. That's all me have to say. That's all me have to say. Just give me name a break, bro. Give me name a break. That's all me have to say. I mean, I have nothing else to say. You see what me I say? Yeah, me not have nothing else to say, bro. Me not come here for this nobody or show down nobody. All me I ask you. If you just love me name, bro. Leave me name. You can't get a break now, man. Get a break now, man. Jesus Christ, man. Every single blood clot day. A new year now. A new year now, man. Go on, auntie. Go on. You can go on? Go on. Please. Just go on. And make peace real. You see what I say? Yeah. I don't know if I true. You see me I say we're outside and we're happy and you see me go picnic on the beach the other day and all of that and all them kind of something. Life is giving, like the fuck. What you mean? Life is giving, bro. You see what I say? So just go on your merry way. Me the over here so. You the over there so. The bugger bring down and this and that not needed on the internet because we're not at war. Nobody not trouble you. Nobody not trouble you. Me not get up every day for your name. Me not mention nobody for you. Me not tell you if you come suck your mother. Because you see your mother, I want a woman with me respect. You see your mother, I want a woman with me respect. Nice fucking woman. Nice fucking woman. Big up your mother. You will never tell her if you go suck your mother. No time. So auntie, all me ask you is just come off of my name and make the ear, you know, make the atmosphere, you know, and you know, yeah, and you know what I mean? Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Just stay some man. You see me? Yeah, my fam. That's all me a ask her. I mean, I have nothing else to talk say. Me not going on a phone go draft in a blood clot receipt me and a batty man. I suck on a mother. I bad my bad for real. You see what me I say? Yeah fam. And TikTok are for everybody. TikTok are for everybody. Nobody not own the app here where you say right there so. It's there for everybody. Everybody use it for different ways. Some use it for content, some use it for drama, some use it for cuss, some use it for play match, people use it for everybody, bro. You see what me I say? Yeah. That's all me have to say. People, big up on yourself. I love and love alone. Uno a go see me and tired for see me face. You see what me I say? Cause as broke as uno say me be, boy clean no bum buckler. And ever clean when we outside. And uno now go stop see that. And trip I go text same way. And dinner dates I go text same way. And everything I go text same way. You see what me I say? Yeah dog. Uno big up on yourself. That's all me have to say. Me not have nothing else to say. Everybody enjoy on a Sunday. Love and love alone. God bless you. See?
A TikTok come off in social media or whatever be the case, so it no look like say yo Ray. Honestly. We are all grown ass people. Every time when people come over here and call the woman name or then try to style her, I say to them say, yo, don't call her name, don't type her name over here. Don't type her name over here. She call me muckers, me not answer. When she call me muckers, Una never did say nothing. Una never really and truly did say anything. I never came out and say anything. When I was called a muckers and me a muck truck and me a gully bap this and that, no one didn't, I never come out come this nobody nor said nothing. This woman this me right through for months. I didn't say nothing because when I said to myself, you can't get involved with people who used to sleep together and married business. I came out here and said, but none of them never re-screen record it. None of them never interested to screen record it and post it. And she diss me right through every time she go live and I still don't disrespect her. So what wanna do with them screen recording there? Where are the screen recordings? Where are the screen recordings when she come and call me muckers, gully bob, fuck out, dancer and mattress, this and that and Ray and Tay? I didn't come out and diss her back. Oh no post that all over social media. I don't know me a girl some my time them. When time I feel idle, I answer people. Because I've been a try bring me down for 10 years and me never yet come and live for arguing. Because guess what? Me's a manifester. I can't do over here start arguing and mash up my energy and drain my energy over here. From me depend that happy I wanna been a this me right through. Some people I answer, some people I don't. In this situation, I never answer the lady. I'm gonna soon send that viral. I never yet come over here and call the lady name and disrespect her ever. The screen recording page them take. If me talk about one topic or me talk about nothing, me see uno come, I wanna chop out what I want chop out, I wanna post, and me still make bag and I'm still easy. Because guess what? Everybody hate me. Everybody want me look like one fuck out. Everybody want to make me look like me a whore. Everybody want to make me look like me is a bad person. At the end of the day, you can't get involved with married people business. At the end of the day, from day one, me know myself, me never get involved with nobody and them relationship. Why? Because when man and woman used to fuck, or who them used to fuck, then we go back, go there and you shame at the end of the blood clot there. Remember, so now know the man still married. Me never yet come out and me never ever do it. And me soon try draw me out in a many ways. Uno go for ninja man, uno go for gully bap, uno go for all type of things and post all type of things and me still never yet come for my life. Call this woman name or this her. And me still not go do it. Cause me nah make uno draw me out a character because I this no want to see. Because Shauna is the pussy hole. Shauna go look the man. Shauna go trouble the man. We never think of saying that, oh, one time, why would you feel like say, me have this a look here, and me go walk and look man and hunt down man? Honestly, wanna be real with yourself. Me look like a person who walk and hunt down man. Me look that desperate. Honestly. Oh, me look that desperate. So you try to tell me, say, me this see the man and me go look him and go say, where are you, me wow? Because me is not that type. Most of uno woman, uno girl, uno never motivated for go fuck a man until him have a girl. When time a man single, uno no go look him when time him single. When a girl single, man no go look girl when time them single. Uno have this thing is a Jamaican thing for uno, uno love for go look people when time them they in a them relationship. Them have a different glow. Me no do that. Me no use that for motivate me for go look no man. Me never trouble a man yet a man to come blood clot trouble me. Me no walk and trouble man. Me no need to. Talk if you for talk truth, me no ugly. Come talk truth, me no ugly. No matter the past one say me have, man still want me. Regardless, man look me right through. Me can't walk in peace. If you see me in a real life, I know nothing different than what you see on the internet with me looking with the looks, okay? Me no need to walk and look, man. But don't say what I have to say. I mean to tell these two. But feel like say there's somewhere somehow on need to come to an agreement. And should be. I think all of this are come off of hurt and ignorance. When you're ignorant and you're upset and you're dark, you're blind to certain things. Maybe she has said certain things because of the fact that you're upset. She upset, so you know certain things. Maybe I'll come across because woman mouth of them power at the end of the day. She may be upset about the situation and she just a cuss and maybe I'll say some things that she not really mean. At the end of the day, when people on the social media, when can't take up people relationship in our hands. When the same one will come look shame. Me can't do it neither. Cause me same one will come look shame. So I'm not gonna come over here and I'm not gonna disrespect her and I'm not gonna come and diss her. Make sure diss me. Me what all of the blood clot diss them. Make sure diss me. Cool. Because everything I wanna have to say is the same shit that y'all be saying for 10 years. Uno been a customer with the one story for 10 years. So me can't, there's no way if you no cut me no see no blood. If you no stab me no see no blood. Because uno been I said the said story for years. Uno been I said the one thing for years. Uno can't make me feel no way with my past and how me start off in a life. I make peace with that already. I start how I start in a life. And that's it. I'm so grateful. I'm still grateful. I am still grateful. I could have end up anywhere else in the world. I could have dead. Man could have kidnapped me. Could have do all type of things to me. I'm grateful. I look on it like it's a fucking save. I sit down here every day and I watch the whole of uno. The whole of uno. Act like say me the worst girl out of Jamaica. And that's fine because God love blood clot me. God love me. But at the end of the day, when I push me for do, I not go come do it. I not go come over here. Come disrespect the woman with the man with me I talk to now. Used married to or used to talk to. Everybody grow out each other. I not go come over here and make no bag of nice and scream out my throat hole and spit up my phone for please none of uno. I can comment anything no one comment in the comment section. Cause there's nothing that you can make me feel no type of way. Men a business with them. I do not business with them and them business. None at all.
Alan,
Yeah.
you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Me train you better than this. Just make sure your eyes them not get too watery. You know that serious. What we need to do a focus. You hear that? No shed no tears over yourself. None. They even make your eyes them get too glassy. Let go and let God. Hear me told you?
The people that keep on a compare and all type of stuff.
Listen me. You can't stop people from talk. This is national
that's what I'm
TikTok.
saying. This is what I'm saying. I cannot stop them from talk when they want to talk. I mean, I make them know
Yes.
anything, but them job at me. It cannot affect me no way because at 10 years them still have the one story. I mean, I make them know so me never ever come over here and disrespect your wife. And that me come over here and not talk about. Me never ever come over here.
So
And
that's why I want you to just
talk.
relax.
So the whole of them. Uno just need to situate out phone thing where Uno can take me out of because it only a build enemy for me. Like me is the bad person, I come trouble woman marriage or me this and me that. So that's why me have to depend on my life. Uno just need to deal with phone thing. I feel like when you grown enough, or you can deal with it off of the internet. You both and she. You not do nothing. You try to avoid it. Yeah, me see that, but it not gonna stop come up. So if you can just make bygones be bygones and just say, you know what, make me try to reach out to that woman here so we can come to a conclusion where two of us can just move on with real life and stop the internet something here. More than love that. Please, me I beg you.
I
Me
can
know
ask
you
you
don't
something.
have nothing to do with her.
Hold on. So hold on.
Me I beg you. Do.
Where you beg me
You
for
not
do?
gonna stop. Or you gonna get to move on and live your life. Or you want to live it. And
Listen,
because honestly, me feel like you're happy and you just a do your thing because you've been left and you're
Listen to
trying
me,
to
I say
move
now.
on.
Listen
But
to
it
me.
can look like say, Ray Tay, you need to just talk on the phone and just come
Listen, no
off of the
talking, no
internet.
need for go on the phone because you know the truth. At nearly 4 months, listen me now. At nearly 4 months now, me and you connect and you know the truth. You never trouble nobody, you never take nobody, man, bro. Lady move on with her life. Let another lady move on with her life and we move on. Where we move on, we don't have nothing to do with nobody. You know the truth. You see what I say? So stop play blind.
No, but on the internet, nobody care about the truth, bro. It's just you. It's two side of the story and God. That's three of them. Three, your side, fear side, and God. So is that I'm saying about the business both the truth? Uno just try for work out something. Well, uno just stop.
Listen to
This
me, I
thing,
say,
yeah.
you think
Alright,
nobody, you think nobody?
alright, what you gonna do? Disable your page and say, alright then, you done this or you done that, or we are just cut this off, or we are gonna say, alright, cool. We just keep a thing off of the internet, no post, no this, no that, no ray. What is going to be here? Cause it not gonna stop. It obviously say it not gonna stop.
People are go forever talk. And you see if you watch people, you never reach nowhere in life.
Me know that.
You see if you watch people, you never reach nowhere in life. So listen to me, you're there on TikTok long enough to know say you can't watch comment section and you can't watch people, bro. You see me, babes? Them a go forever talk with them feel a mind for talk, say. You can't stop that. Whatever you post, whatever you do, them a go turn it around, comment it and caption it one way if you make it look like you get trouble. You know the truth. You know the truth and you know say, me there as a gorilla for you. And no boy or no girl can change my mind. No care whatever they come with. You see me? I'm going to tell you this already. I'm not shame of you. So there's nothing where them can come talk say. Back this, back that. 1 fucking decade ago. 10 fucking years ago. Sleep in peace. I girl I know. I'm not going to see that till you're dead. You hear that? So no make no boy or girl over here so make your eye get too glassy. No make your eye get too glassy. You know that serious. Or the real people them know the truth, you see me? Yeah. I never just run. Me never just run and come. Me never just run and got this nobody and read. No, it was not that case. Everybody gone about them business and I live them life. You know why problem? You talk about 10 and Shana. Just to show kind of the quality from your POV, you see that. Can't watch your eyes in our market, babes. You see me? I give a fuck with nobody what I have to say. I go talk till them out drop off. And then I go see we until them I drop out. Think about that. You see me?
Oh, this shit just feels, ugh.
Yeah, me see it I get to you. Me see it I get to you. You see me? Yeah, me see it I get to you.
But
I have feelings.
the bad guy.
I have feelings just the same. You see me? I can't tell you how to feel. But me I tell you say, you don't need to listen to nobody or what them a comment or what them have to say. People are going to talk regardless. You see me? I say when them see the thing active, them not no choice. Because the same one them where I say no, I see one them where I say yes. Come on now. You're up on TikTok long enough to know this.
But it just now released today, bro.
You see me? Just relax and stay focused, man. You have a lot of things to deal with. You see me? Yeah, and the devil just go try to come do all kind of things. Forget you distracted. Focus. You see me? Yeah, focus. Focus, my baby, you see me? Ride or die, man. Believe no man, remember this. Me talk about this and you know the truth already. So that's why I tell you, say, don't give a fuck what people have to say. Yeah, me tell you that. Is what I say? Okay, baby? Okay, baby? Okay, baby? Okay, baby? You answer me?
Make me smile. Why are you trying to make me laugh?
No, I'm not trying to make you smile. I want you to look at yourself because you know the truth. And you know something there with you. Strong and firm. You see what I say? No boy. You know that already. Talk is cheap. You know the truth. And you know women capable of. And you know the powers. You feel the energy. You know everything because I'm there on you. Relax. Relax. And stop watch what people have to say. See me I say? Yeah, because we're going to do it. See me I say? Okay? Alright? Alright, baby, I'm there. Soon forward. Let go and let God, man. God is the greatest, and you know that already. You see what I say? Talk is cheap. You just watch. Silence I wickedest weapon. I'm a teacher this already because I've been a tell you, say, listen to me and say, you will never ever answer a video or answer a comment. No time. Me tell you this from the get-go, say all of this are gonna come. Remember me prepare you for this. A lie me I tell? A lie me I tell? Eh?
No.
Alright. So just stay blessed. God is the greatest, man. And nothing can break you, no care what them talk say. Always remember that. You see me I say? Yeah. Move your hand from your head. Thank you very much. Smile for me, please.
Hello, Manona.
Smile
I
for me, please.
smile. I'm smiling.
Me nah see you.
Ha.
Straight connect up, baby. I want you. No boy, man. Always remember that. Don't give a fuck with people one talk saying I know that already. Strong and firm. I must say we are scorpion all stinger. Hear that? Soon forward, my baby. Jump me off of the screen and I can't, I
You
don't know if I
know
come
how to
on.
come
Jump.
off. You know how to
No,
come
no.
off. Eh? You can't come off. So you talk somebody,
No,
you can't
no.
come off.
Jump me off there.
No, take off yourself. Lord God. I don't know what to do, Father God. No. The people that want not talk, me not have no money. Remember, so no say me a this and me a or me a this, me a that. Me not have no money for give no man. So no talk, but the man love sweet cause I don't have it. I don't have it. How long me do over TikTok I beg? Eh? Listen, now my son is 18 years old. Don't get this twisted, Camel. Only used to call me gold digger. And now you say me a mind, man. Jesus Christ, man. You make up no mind. Make up no mind. Make up no mind. My 18-year-old pity for take care of. 18-year-old and a boy expensive. And I say I love money and me a gold ticker. Now you say me a mind, man. Oh God. Let me forget money from for my man. Wife, me have if me see one shirt when man, would I love to see on the man, of course, me buy a shirt or a cologne. I will never buy a man before. I'm not think about it. My mother say you know for buy a man shoes cause they will walk out of your life. So me never buy a man a shoes yet. As far as me ever do I buy a man a cologne. Buy a cologne time I go through airport. Nothing wrong with that. Buy a two little cologne. Nothing wrong with that. I'ma buy what something for your birthday. What for me put on a lingerie and game pom pom. That's it. So babes, this my way feel. No, some dear. One time I ever buy a man's cologne. I never buy a man plane ticket yet. Plane ticket? Somebody just type plane ticket. I never buy a man plane ticket before. I don't know. Wait there. Oh, you do that. Settings. Oh, you do that. Somebody, cause you know that. Yo, I don't know how the fuck that miss me. Ooh. Mm-mm. Oh, I don't know how to do that. I'm not do no more talking because I can't bother with the comments them. So it me a look for. It me a look for. Mm. I'm gonna do all excitement and the back and forth right now. So anything I want to say until this day, I don't give a fuck. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it.